particle moves along the x-axis with its position, given like this. Which of the following values is the particle at rest? Okay, so you have to translate at rest. Your brain has to say v of t equals 0, right? And then you have to find v of t. So if it helps you, v of t is x prime, right? So you have two options. You can either do the product rule or you can FOIL this out. I really don't care. If you do it this way, you need the product rule, right? So your x prime of t is going to be u dv plus v du. So you're going to get a t minus a plus t minus b. Sorry, it's a t. I don't know why I wrote it 2. Plus t minus b. So you're going to get 2t minus a minus b. That's what your x prime, which is the same as your velocity, is equal to. You're asked when that's 0, because that's what at rest means. So 0 equals 2t minus a minus b. Solve for t. You're going to get an a plus b equals 2t, right? So a plus b over 2. So that's one way to do this. There's another way to do it, and I'll walk you through that in just a sec. So a plus b over 2, which should be answer B. There is another way to do this. The other way to do this is to realize that this thing right here, this is a parabola. So here's the other option. This is a parabola like this, right? It's parabola. Specifically, it's a parabola that has its zeros at A and B. That means that the slope of the tangent line is 0, right? Halfway between them, right? So a plus b over 2 is that midpoint value. That's where you're going to have that tangent line. And that's another way to do it. There's a lot of ways. Remember, the more depth you have in your other knowledge, right, the more background knowledge you have in algebra, the easier a lot of these problems are.